guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Under Armour HOVR MACHINA Off-Road. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And again, like always, I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we're able to do this. So let's get into it. Today, we've got a look at the Under Armour HOVR MACHINA Off-Road. We got this in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it is a US 8.5. And let's get unboxing. Here it is. Very nice. It reminds me of all the Salomon ACG reviews that we've done in the past. Check those out if you want to look at our reviews of trail running sneakers. But today we've got a special one where it kind of syncs to your My Run app with My Map Run, with Under Armour. So if you get a chance, download it and you will see how you perform when you're running. Now, let's start with the outsole. As I mentioned, these are trail running sneakers, and by the outsole you can tell, so you've got this nice Vibram made rubber outsole. A lot of lugs there for the traction. Obviously, these were designed and built for running in all kinds of terrains, any kind of surfaces to reduce your slippage and get around when you're running in like woodlands or whatever. As I mentioned, you can see it from the tread itself. It's very boot-like. It's there for the traction at the end of the day and stability. Now looking at the midsole, so this midsole is made out of the HOVR foam and it's surrounded with this energy web that Under Armour have called it, and it's there for energy return every time you step off your feet. It's there for every time you lift up your feet, basically. And we look at the upper, so this upper is a blend of mesh and plastic materials. So you can see where it says here in the top toe box area where it says Storm, this is a melted heat pressed plastic. You can see it there. Now what the Storm is great materials, it's water repellent, and it doesn't sacrifice anything to do with the breathability of these sneakers. So you're able to have the same ventilation without sacrificing any more solids that can be found when it makes a sneaker repellent to water. Looking more onto the upper, as I mentioned before, it's a lot of mesh materials, great for the ventilation. It's very sturdy as well, so it's not flimsy like a lot of running sneakers that we've done in the past. Again, these were built for all-terrain running, and with that added water repellent that the Under Armour Storm brings to the table with these sneakers, it doesn't get your feet wet, so a plus if you're running through puddles. Look at the lace system, it's a normal lace system, flat laces, and what's great is you got a bit of 3M shining here at the bottom of the laces, very nicely padded tongue with the Under Armour logo. Moving along onto the heel counter, so you've got extra support with this reinforced heel counter, plastic material around here. It's very, very kind of hard around the heel, but you've got the heel support, the heel clip. It's made out of plastic, where you've got the MACHINA Off-Road logo there. Despite it being designed for all-terrain running, it's very lightweight, which is what you want. You can see by the padding that surrounds the ankle support, it's great for the lockdown support of your feet. So I'm just going to show that when I show the young feet, to show you that there shouldn't be any slippage, so you wouldn't be able to fall or get any injuries whilst you're running. That's the hope when you're running. And in the inside, you got a synthetic inside with the MACHINA Off-Road logo there also. I can't wait to try these on, let you guys know how they fit, the comfort, all that jazz, because for me, the Salomon GTX sneakers that we've done in the past, I thought those were really great. We've also done ACGs, and ACG, obviously I've got this Nike bias. I do prefer those. But with this being the first time we've seen an Under Armour all-terrain running sneaker, I can't wait to share my feelings and opinions. So roll that footage of me trying these HOVRs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size fit. This is what I like in my sneakers. Great fit. You can see my toes. They are where they need to be. I really like this aesthetic. I'm not sure if it's glow in the dark. I mean, it looks really glow in the dark. The outsole's here. Very sturdy. We like this, and if you're doing trail running, it's what you want. Nice grip as well on the traction. Very light, kind of breathable as well with the upper. You know what? Listen, I know we love our Adidas, we love our Reeboks, Nike, all that. Under Armour do some decent sneakers, and this being built for trail running, I can imagine myself not slipping. I've mentioned this in a previous trail running sneaker. We did the Adidas Terex 21, and I just mentioned about the upper material being not quite sturdy, it's flimsy. This was very supportive. And that's what I kind of want in my trail runners. This ticks all the boxes, it's comfortable, I feel safe, locked down. You don't see any slippage when I raise my foot. Really good. And yeah, I'm gonna say it as I always do, I'm not mad at this. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Till next time, peace.